Hi, it's Tom with RealityCheckForYou.com. If you have social anxiety or are just an introvert, you may have struggled with making friends. But even a small circle of friends for most introverts like us can be deeply satisfying and totally fill our need for socializing. This video lesson will cover 3 easy things you can do right now today to turn existing acquaintances into friends and widen your social circle. The first thing you need to start doing and really commit to is to stop saying no to things. Stop saying no to invitations to do things with people. Lunch with coworkers, drinks with business associates, charity events, whatever. Start saying yes to everything and you're already halfway there. If you have social anxiety or are just an introvert, I get it. You don't really want to go to your neighbor's Dungeons & Dragons marathon. But if you want to have a social life that's fulfilling, a group of friends that you can call up when you want to hang out with someone, then this is the price of admission. Number 2, turn your acquaintances into friends. You can do this with 3 easy tips. First, text people about a common interest during a football game after a great play, or during a television show you've talked about in passing. You could text them before Game of Thrones and say, winter's coming, or are you going to watch Game of Thrones tonight? This exercise will lead to either an invitation from them or an opening for you to invite them to hang out in a natural way that completely eliminates the risk of harsh rejection or any rejection for that matter. Next, invite them to something cool. Hey, I've got an extra ticket to this show. Would you like to go? This makes it seem like you already have friends, but you'd like to maybe be better friends with them in the future. If they say no, no harm done. You really haven't risked anything. Lastly, stay in touch consistently with the people you're trying to cultivate a new friendship with, so that they feel like you're reaching out to them is not just a one-off. Believe me, everyone likes people texting them. It makes them feel like they have more friends. Start with maybe 2 or 3 times a week. And if they start texting you out of the blue and not just in response to your texts, you can increase this communication, but don't overdo it. The third and last thing you can do, and it really is the most important thing you can do to widen your social circle of friends, is to be authentic. Don't puff yourself up and don't put yourself down. Just communicate from your heart with your true self. The goal is to be able to communicate with people with your heart open. Now, keeping your heart open doesn't have to mean keeping your heart exposed. You don't want to cause yourself unnecessary suffering. I get that. Just let people see who you truly are while taking an interest in finding out who they really are. Listen deeply to what they have to say. People want to feel heard. They want other people to really see them for who they are deep down, just like you do. Listening deeply to people without waiting to say whatever it is you want to say will make you feel like a safe, warm, and interesting person to the people you want to get to know better. It really is pretty easy if your intention is good and your heart is open. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel so I can keep making these videos. See you next time.